emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome.
Welcome to the next build I'm doing for eModels, and it's probably tell from the title what I'm doing, but this is what I'm doing. We're doing the new Grumman F6F-5 Hellcat. It's Airfix's brand new 124 scale model, and as you can see, the camera's as high as I can get it above the desk, and you can only see the picture. So what we'll do is I'll just pause here for a sec, and then we'll have a look at what's in the box, because I haven't even opened the box yet. It's literally arrived probably about half an hour ago, and I've just got a chance to unpack it. So we'll have a look through and see what we can find. Okay, won't be a sec. Okay, so we'll open up and see what we can see. Right. So, first off, we have lots and lots of individual bags. If this is anything like the Typhoon build, that'll be the cockpit cover. Can't think of the word there. So if we can find some instructions. All the way down the bottom we have instructions. So let's have a look, see what we've got in here. Tell you what, I'll pause it so I'm going to be rattling bags and you won't be able to hear anything. Won't be a sec. Okay, so I've moved the box out of the way and we're a bit more sorted out. So, what do we get in the instructions bag? Well, we get a book of instructions, so it's like the Tornado build. I've got on the back of here. Internal decals on there, so we'll have a look through. So, instruction book. I have position of stencils. Not like a modern jet where it basically has stencils on every single piece. There are quite a few on there. Do what? I've got a bit of the light on. Here we go, that's better. So anyway, we have a stencil sheet. On there we have colour chart for the various options. So we've got Indochina War, 1953. We have one from H&F March, April 45. It's got a camouflage pattern. What else have we got? We have USS Randolph version from May 45, mostly blue with a white tail. The one on the front of the box, which from HMS Princetown, October 44. So this is the one with the, gotta call it a sharp mouth really, but it's a sharp mouth on there. Which I think is the version I'm going to do. Why wouldn't you want to do anything with a sharp mouth? Okay, and there we have a slightly bent decal sheet. So it's split up in different types. We've got the common stencils at the top, so this is where your dials are, probably internal ones, a few stencils on there, and then you've various sheets on there. So So we'll pop that back in its bag when I can find it. So let's have a look at this instruction book. So it starts off with wings unfolded, undercarriage up, wings unfolded, undercarriage down, and wings folded, undercarriage down. So just off screen there. Okay, so where do the instructions start? So various options. You can either have it the part of the engine showing, a lot of the engine at the front showing, the canopies on there, and you can fit the engine with the motor so the propeller goes around. I won't be doing that. So here we are with part one. So this is building up the cockpit area. So as I say, where the Airfix works, the red parts and the next part show where the first part should have gone, so you got an idea whether you're positioning things in the right place on here and work through, and it shows how it fits into the body. So lots of details. You've got seat belts, harness in there, seat belts. And then you start working on the inside of the cockpit parts and build it up. And for the internal frames in there. What's going on here? I think I've got a malfunction with the instruction book. It doesn't fall down, does it? No, it won't fall down. So anyway, I'll have to sort out the top of my sheet. So as I say, it's all very detailed. Let's find the bit with the engine. I like the engine bits. This is all engine bits. So there's a bit I'd read about. So if you wish to add ignition leads to the engine, it's recommended 0.7mm copper wire to use the following diagram. So different lengths, different colours, and show where everything goes. My intention is to do this, so we'll have to sort some of this copper wire and then we'll work out what we do. That looks nice and technical, doesn't it? But I think it would make it look better, because the intention is to have the engine showing. So, where's the engine start? Base engine starts part 150 and goes on till so yeah, you fit the engine on part 230. So there's a lot of the engine to go together, but it looks like you can make the engine as a sub-assembly, so I can start with that if I wanted to. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to go with, and we end up with the very last bits, which is part 310. It's basically fitting part of the folding wing portion. So there's an option to have the wings folded or unfolded. Looks like I can have one folded, one straight. Which again I think is what I'm going to be doing, but we'll have a look through and see what we can find. And then on the back we've got, as I said, the internal decal, so the instruction instrument panel. Got a map on there, part of that goes around the back of the seat, and other various instrument parts around the side, bottom of the seat, and at the back of the pilot. Okay, so that is a seriously thick instruction book. So what we'll do, we'll decide what I'm going to start on, and then we'll get another video up in a little bit. But we'll just use this as an introduction to the next build, to this new build I'm doing. So 4 models, doing the 124 Grumman F6F-5 Hellcat, which is Airfix new 124 scale kit. So I'll see when I've started building things, but so I thought I'd like to get this up soon, so you know what's coming. So pop along to eModels, brilliant website, brilliant bunch of guys. If as the saying goes, if you can't find it on their website, you don't need it. If you can't find anything on there, it's always a good idea to email them, and they'll see where they can get it, or point you in an alternative direction. But thanks for watching this introduction, and I'll be back as soon as with a bit more of the Hellcat. See you in the next part.